Today we're making Stifado, Greek beef stew with the onions. To start, we fixing up the meat. I got in 2 kilos the neck. We cut them up into pieces like this and put them one bowl. Other side 1 cup red wine, massage. Get some Greek onions, the sweet ones. Clean up the skin so they're like this. 1 whole garlic, mince him up. Put one pot of gazi, put inside some Greek olive oil and make him nice and hot. Now put your onions inside, cook them a couple minutes. When they got the color, take them out. Now slowly put your meat inside and turn them so they're going brown everywhere. Take them out and keep going till it's all done. When they got the color, put these ones back. Put inside your vinegar, garlic, 2 tablespoons tomato, and mix them all up. Fix them up some salt, pepper, thyme, and beautiful Greek oregano. A little bit cinnamon, bacari, dip inside your crushed tomatoes. Now the wine from here, and 1 more cup also. Don't be scary, I got more for drinking. 2 cups your stock, and roughly 2 cups the water. Mix them up very good, put inside flake bay leaves, and if you need it, a little bit of rosemary also. Put the lid, turn him down the heat, we do it across the top, and leave him simmer 1.5 hours. Open him, add inside your onions, mix him up a little bit, and leave him cooking another hour. It's nice, we make some mash, and a little bit bread is beautiful also. Remove the lid, check what's going up. Beautiful in the winter time. Little bit mix, leave him off the lid, leave it finish, half an hour. When you're happy and she's soft, it's done. Take them out your plate, little bit onions also. Always you need some more juice, and a little bit bread to clean her up. She's very soft and very tasty. It's bloody beautiful, mate.